Yes, this is just water and a little bit vinegar. Yeah, it's sushi rice.
Wet your hands with water. This will prevent the sushi rice from sticking to your hands.
With your right hand, take around 8 to 9 gram sushi rice. With your left hand, grab around 11 to 12 gram fish and put it on your fingers.
Now, place the sushi rice on the fish. Keep it in place with your left thumb. Then, with your right thumb and index finger, tap the short side of the rice. With your thumb and middle finger, lightly tap the long side of the rice. Repeat twice to create a nice rectangle.
Then turn the nigiri around. Then gently press the sides of the fish down by sliding your thumb and middle finger down along each side.
Then, with your index finger, lightly tap the top of the fish down and let the nigiri sink into the curl of your fingers.
Now turn the nigiri around. Slide your fingers along the sides of the fish. Then gently press the top of the nigiri and repeat.
Now, garnish with some ginger and spring onion.
いただきます。